Hello, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Forest River Wolf Pup 16 BHS. We'll do a walk around the outside and then go inside and see what that's got going for it. Up front here, we've got a manual tongue jack and a 20-pound propane bottle. You'll notice the aluminum diamond plate on the bottom, as well as the fiberglass front, keep you protected from rocks and hail and things like that. Here we've got a solar panel plug. That'll trickle charge your battery if you add a solar panel. Got a nice large storage compartment up front. Manual stabilizer jacks on this one. Got a bright LED scare light in the front. Nice size manual awning. Speakers and TV bracket on the side. Aluminum wheels. Around the back, we've got a spare tire. And the nice thing about this unit is this little door here, so you can use the underneath of the bunks, and this will actually lift up as well, so you can really fit a lot of things back here. Detachable power cord on this unit, and of course all your water connections and your water heater there. Let's go inside. First thing you'll notice is this friction hinge door, which is a nice upgrade, especially on a windy day. Queen size mattress there. Lots of cabinets all the way around. Dinette table that'll fold into a bed. There's your fridge, sink, and stovetop. Look at the microwave. Lots of cabinet space. Nice open bunk. There's a radio, DVD player. And your bath with a nice vent. Again, this is a 2017 Forest River Wolf Pup 16 BHS, and I thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.